Hello all, welcome to Limitless Learning Series Part 38. So today we have with us Saili ma'am over here. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
So we have a very important question with us today. So we just wanted to know what activities will help in developing my child's fine motor skills.
See, first parents need to understand that what is fine motor skill means what. So fine motor skill is that usually in preschools or in pre-primary schools, what we do that to develop their writing skills.
Okay.
We give exercises to their hands, thumbs, fingers, so their palm should get more exercise.
Okay.
So for that, coloring is one of the activity. Playing with Play-Doh is one of the activity. Then stringing the beads is one of the activity. So simple activities can be given to kids. In fact,
Yes.
So parents can, I'll give you a few tips to parents. That first thing is that encourage your child daily drawing.
Okay.
It can be with crayons, it can be with pen, it can be with pencil, anything.
Any scribbling?
So any scribbling. So drawing. So you tell them that draw pumpkin. Then if it becomes apple, then also please
That's
encourage your child.
Yes.
So second is that building blocks. I think each and every house, kids, they have building blocks. If not in our school, we have building blocks. So when they try and build something, they pick up, they build, they try to explore something. So that is something I think parents should give that, encourage them to do that. Third, buttoning, zipping activities. Nowadays, this is very fancy name. They give Montessori activities.
Yes.
So Montessori activity is something will come back, with another question. I think later part mein. But where it is like Montessori is life skills.
Yes.
So buttoning, zipping these are all life skills.
Yes.
So this helps child to develop their fingers and this thing. So that is one of the activity can be done. Then let your child help in peeling fruits and maybe garlic or something, but then yes, wash their hands later on. So that is very important. So mother and child getting nice bond also. Or maybe father also if you are peeling fruits or something. So that is there. Fifth is very important, lots of clay.
Okay.
So it can be atta, it can be from shop which you buy,
Play-Doh.
that Play-Doh thing,
Yes.
that is also okay. Or maybe sand play, and if you go on a beach, let them play there. So these kind of activities you should encourage, and you will see that it creates magic.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your wonderful insights. I hope the parents will also enjoy this series. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, parents.